You should see the pattern by now for this assignment in creating the secondary pages. Initially, you want to open your internet browser, and I'll go back to my opening index page. Here it demonstrates that I have, or I can see that I have created an about page and assignments. Now I need to work on my exercises page. This would be your third item of your menu. I'll click back on the home. So we know that once that item is selected, we're going to copy it from here, that code. So in this case, it would be exercises.html. I will copy that text, go back into Dreamweaver. As I've done for the About and Index page, it's very important that you're always working on the initial index file. Do not save the About Me or assignments and work on it. But in the index file, I want to go to File and Save As. Well, I have that was Firefox still active, File and Save As, and make those changes. Remember, Save As, and then here I will delete all of it and Command V to paste in my exercises.html. I'll make sure that it's saved in the correct folder, which would be your name folder for this course. Create a new CSS rule. Make sure it's in the class. Also, in terms of the name, this underscore page, and keep it in the definition for this document only. I would click on OK, and then I would have, I'm going to just cancel that. And remember, the page properties pop-up will open asking you about the font family. Also, remember on that item I bolded my text as well as made as italics, and I changed the color. The hex color is 900. It's that bit of maroon relative to the university color. Those are some of the changes that I made. And then among the source code, keep in mind that on that exercises page, just as it is, I'm going to click on the About Me just so you can see that Dreamweaver will recognize that this underscore page, the italics, bold, and also that color. So I'm going to go back to my index page right now, and that should be demonstrated on my new exercises page. And then among the source code, I will carefully delete the link and include the span. Also class, equal, open quotations, this page, close quotations, and I always remember that I have to close it. Now let's say you forget, because I'm going to let you create the other pages on your own. You can go back to the About, make sure that you're not working on it, but as an example, take a look here. Span, class, equal, open quotation, this underscore page. And if you've done it right in terms of the new CSS rule, it will sort of automatically recognize what you're working on and place it there. And we always have to close, okay? Keep in mind that it is very important that you work on the index page, because on the index page, as I mentioned previously, all links on the menu are active. And then lastly, we have to change the contents of the banner. Make sure that you do this. So for the exercises, very similar to the assignments page, I'll probably title this one Exercises, or maybe Advanced Technology Exercises, but your content will be different. Now there are at least 3 additional items on my menu, so that includes exercises, syllabus, and contact me. Now what I'd like for you to do is go ahead on your own, create the additional 3 pages. You may have more, you shouldn't have fewer, but again, on your own, going through the same pattern that I did, making those changes, try and work to complete the 3rd, 4th, and 5th pages.